Today, I'm going to demonstrate waveform capture rate for the common 2000 series oscilloscope. 3 oscilloscopes will be used for this demonstration, including Instek, GDS 2000E, the Keysight DSOX 2008, and Ricoh DS 2008. First, connect 3 DSOs with GDB03, which produce random signal of 1/10,000th. Now, compare 3 DSO. For GDS 2000E, we can see that random signals are successfully retrieved, and fast update rate is shown by setting 1K memory depth and horizontal level as 100 nanosecond per division. For Keysight DSOX 2008, sets same criteria except that memory depth cannot be adjusted. For Ricoh DS 2008, also sets same criteria and adjust memory depth as the shortest of 14 kilo. After comparing 3 DSOs, we can clearly see that GDS 2000E with 120,000 waveform per second update rate provides a better random signal capture capability, which is crucial for signal analysis and debugging. This concludes my demonstration. Thank you.